Today the Congress Party, represented by President Bab Amit Patkar and MLA Elton DeCosta and Bab Savio, we were called for our suggestions on the 16 Finance Commission meeting. It is scheduled to start in some time now. So basically, Goa has suffered because of, in terms of population, in terms of the area being small, and these are norms for a devolution. जे फायनान्सा प्रमाणे आमकां हूंय ना हूंय गोंयकाराक सदांच अन्याय जाल्लो आहा. आनीक in years when there was a planning commission which was stopped by the Narendra Modi government in 2014, we see the Finance Commission has started meeting every 5 years. So this has got to do with the current status of Goa's finances from 26 to 31 for 5 years. Anik jenna ami aaj, no matter what our differences for the state, we are going to put up certain demands. I believe, I don't know, just last week the Honorable Chief Minister said that they would put a demand of 28,000 crores in various sectors of education, in health, infrastructure, waste management. Today I've seen some reports that it is gone to 35,000, 32. So 5,000 crores have increased in 7 days. So what type of planning is this? I'm not pretty sure. But as a responsible citizen of our state, definitely if you look at the state's economic crisis जाल्ली आसा, almost 32,000 crores रीण जाल्ले आसा. And there is no fixed, if you look 42%, the figures are 42% that is distributed as central taxes to the states. Out of this 42%, Goa gets only 0.368%, which is about roughly 3,300 crores in central taxes. So I believe this is very less. It is the responsibility of the Finance Commission. Regular responsibility if states that are not represented by the people in power to take realistic views. But it is a sorry state of affairs that the double engine Sarkar can't cater to the needs of basic needs of Goans. And no matter what, there are several things that need to change with regards to Goa being a tourist destination. Waste management has a problem. And if waste management has a problem, it is basically a nuisance. That is why you see tourists moving to some other states with regards to mining, with regards to education, with regards to our infrastructure. Amche per capita income is one of the highest in the state, but we don't have proper infrastructure. हर घर जल नळ मो आ मॅटमो सांगलोले हर घर जल नळ बी कांयच ना उदोच ना सारकें with regards to Madai, with regards to education, with regards to several other infrastructure, with regards to schools. It's a pathetic state. But definitely we will make sure that we put our demand realistically and ask the realistic share for Goa.